Cop detained during Spanish Town drama escapes police custody.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police are trying to figure out how one of their colleagues, who was reportedly involved in Sunday's dramatic early morning deadly shooting and high-speed car chase in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, escaped custody. The policeman, Kirk Fraser, reportedly escaped from the custody of another police officer. The cop, who was reportedly involved in the alleged killing of a businessman, had been on the police guard either destined for or at the Kingston Public Hospital. He was one of 4 cops who were involved in the car chase that began close to midnight on Saturday. After the much publicized drama ended, which included a high-speed car chase, a shootout, and an accident, which resulted in the death of a male occupant of the other crash car. At the end of the exchange, one of the alleged Rouge cops was shot and killed. One was held, and the third managed to escape the crime scene. 5 guns, which included 3 Glock pistols, a .45 pistol, and a Browning 9mm pistol, were seized from the getaway vehicle, a Nissan AD station wagon. A top-level probe has been launched into the incident to ascertain how the Rouge cops, despite being on suspension, reportedly still had government-issued Glock pistols, service vehicle, and other law enforcement paraphernalia, which were recovered at the scene of the accident. Likewise, the Independent Commission of Investigation (INDECOM) has started a probe into the overall incident, including the mysterious escape of the police officer who was taken into custody. This situation is being further compounded by reports swirling around that the alleged Rouge cops were not suspended, but were actual part of some special police squad.
This crime that is now being talked about, which involves policemen, we can be sure that the leadership of the police force, the management of the police force, and the government will do everything to ensure that there is a full investigation and all who are responsible will be brought to justice.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.